Hey guys, it's me, FireAlarmGuy13, and I got a new pull station. It's an Edwards 278B1120, and I already opened it out of the box and whatever, because unboxing videos take too long, and I'm just here to show it to you. Kind of like not unboxing, but new device reveal, I guess. Whatever. So, here it is. It's an Edwards 278B1120. Yeah, I've already forgotten the model number nearly. So here it is. It's dual action. The back. There it is. It only has 2 instead of 4, like my old one. There's the Edwards thing. It's made in China. And yeah. Oops. Here's the key for it. It's pretty similar to like my other one. And here's the 2 brake rods and the mounting screws. I'm glad I got 2, so I can like do a test with the brake rod, and I can have another one for a different test. Here is my old one, in 276B1320. I don't know what the 3 means, but it's something special, I guess. But here it is. And the reason why it's separated, because if my phone wants to focus, but there's like a little broken piece right here. And you see that? So the metal things would go through here, and it would go another one through here. And let me just show into this one. And this one, let me just open it up. 1 second. Yeah, so you see how these things and these things are holding the thing together. Basically, in this one, that's broken, so it cannot connect to these two cannot connect. And yeah, and besides, if I try to put on the wall in my board, it's gonna be like a pain. So here it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull it as well. I'll tell you the thing I like about it a lot. So, you just pull it, you just do what it says, lift up, and pull it down. So you see, it's activated now. So you just get the key, do this, push that switch down. It's on the normal position now. Now you have to lift the cover up, put that in. Oh shoot. Lift the cover up, put this in there, and now just lock it in place. One thing I like about this, if you're gonna install this on like a system, like a conventional Fire Shield with like a bunch of Genesis, or even if you're like replacing a 270 SVO on like a 2400 series EST1 with a bunch of integrities and whatever, you just have to open it up, and the handle doesn't even go down because this thing is holding it. That's what I really like about it. You just put your screws in and whatever wired up. Unlike this one, like this would like go down and you have to push it up. That was kind of annoying. But yeah. So you guys will see this on the next test, hopefully. My panel's having some trouble because it's kind of cheap. And yeah. So I'm going to try to get the panel fixed out. And then hopefully you'll see this on the test. And without further ado, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, wait. My bad. Here's a shameless plug. I made a FireAlarmGuy13 Instagram. If you guys want, you can check it out. I don't care if you follow. Go ahead. I'll link in the description. And now, comment, like, and now here's the outro. Comment, like, and subscribe. And bye.